Yeah, so because that garage was closed, you go all the way around, you take a left, you go the other side of the garage and go into. There's two entrances.
Should I go move my car?
Where'd you park?
The restaurant parking outside. Do you think it should be fine?
Wait, did it say, did it have any signs?
It's just quick there.
Oh, the residential parking?
Yeah.
I think it should be fine. I've done it before. Yeah.
Ticket is just like
Yeah. You're slick, Kenny, huh? So I can't warm up now. Jerk. Nah, I'm joking. What a lucky bounce. Oh shit, my bad. Justin 3. Ooh, wet. Wet. There's the center point guard. I don't know what he is, power forward. Or against his arch nemesis, Eddie. Kenny says dribble, dribble. In your face, Gander. In your face. Yeah, that's your fault, Gander. Oh, Ed, point guard. Oh, pass to Bobby. Bobby to Gander, pump fake Gander. Ed with a pass. Shit, I always forget his name, but good shot, 3. Damn it. Don't forget your name, my bad. That's for the rebound. I mean, not really a rebound. That's to Reggie. Reggie to Victor. Ooh, pass to Kenny. As you said, I'll get a rebound. Pass to Dez. Oh, Dez throws it. Pass to Reggie. Reggie misses. Victor again with a rebound. Victor says, I got you.
What's that? Commissioner or?
Huh?
That job for like.
Oh, broadcaster. Yeah.
Oh,
the
broadcast, yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah. I forgot. Oh, Bobby. Bobby with the fake. Oh, pass. Ooh. Not. Oh, Victor with the pass to Kenny with the left. I guess you can have that assist. Uh-oh. Is that... Oh, Gander took off his... Oh, no, he still has the shooting sleeve. Okay. Bobby. Oh, turn around. Reverse. Oh, no, pass. Back to his brother from another mother. Back to Justin. Justin. Ooh, layup. Too easy. Uh-oh. Another different point guard named Ron. Ron says, 3 me? I don't pass, I shoot 3s. Oh, he said game. Whose face was it in? Nah, it was just deep. It was in his face. No, he's on the winning team. Oh, it's in these losers' face right here. Right here, this is one of them right here.
Holy shit, that was 4 minutes?
Yeah. No, I messed up. Right here, these are the losers.